Hello, in this video you will learn how to sort your Google Docs from the last few days into your own personal folder that is shared with your teacher, Mrs. Musso, Mrs. Bowen, and Mrs. Kowalski. The first step is to make sure that you are logged into your WRDSB account. As you can see here, your teachers even have personal accounts. We make sure every morning that we are logged into our WRDSB. Then you will go to your waffle and click on your drive. Do not be alarmed at what my Google Drive looks like. This is just all wonderful work for my students and for my students. I will pull up what your folder will look like. You will see in your Google Drive your name. It will look like this, a folder that says your name and your work. These just happen to be some of my students' names. You will not see all of your peers in your Google Drive. You will only see a folder with your name. One way that you can search for that drive is you can type in the search engine your name. It will pop up as an item first. Another way that you can ensure that you can always find this folder, sorry about that, is to star. You can star your folder work, which means you go down to add to start. If you would like to do this, please do so. You will then find your most important work in your starred folder. My starred folder has the work that I create for all of you. Let me review how to do this. When you're starting out, you go to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, you will find a folder with your name. This is my Google Drive, so it looks a little crazy. You will see this piece right here, a folder with your name, and it says work. If you are unsure how to find it, you can always use your Google Drive search engine and type in your first name. Obviously, your name won't be Rosie unless you're Rosie, and you will put in Rosie's work. It will come up. If you click on it, it will show you your folder. If you want to start so you have easy access, you can go to add to start. This way you can always go here to find it quickly. However, your Google Drive may not look as crazy or disheveled or completely absurd as mine, because you should not have as many folders. Now, when you find your folder, it is easy to put your work inside of it. For example, one of the assignments that we did is, what does peace feel like? You may want to look it up. This is what comes up for me. You will have yours in there. Now, when you look up yours, it might actually have the word copy in front of it because you all created a copy. For example, this is a document that I want to put in my folder. So I'm going to go to File. I'm not going to make another copy. I'm going to move it down and I'm going to press the move button. Move on over. You're going to press it, move. Okay. Now, I don't want it to go into my writing folder, so I'm going to keep going back. Again, mine looks completely crazy. You're going to go down until you see your name, your folder with your name. Now, I have a couple more steps than you, but see, when you see your folder with your name, you will click on it. This is Bailey's, and you will move your assignment here. That will place your assignment in the correct folder. I hope this video helps you. You will be working in groups today to figure this out. Hopefully you can watch it over and over and learn how to move your docs into your correct folder.